Hey YouTube, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Happy Friday. Today we're going to talk about Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX. Now there's been some big news with Ideanomics. We're going to talk about that today. Talk about what's been going on with the price action and see what's in store for the future of Ideanomics. So let's take a quick look at the chart. So yesterday, Thursday, April 15th, Ideanomics closed the day at $2.52, down a little over 8% on the day. So not a very good day overall. Fluctuated from a low of $2.46 to a high of $2.79. Volume of around 34 million shares traded. Okay guys, if you like the content and the value I provide, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and turning on those post notifications. Thank you. Okay, so let's get into the big news with Ideanomics. So Tree Technologies inks a deal to supply 200,000 e-motorbikes to Indonesia. So we're going to break down this new announcement. So Tree Technologies is actually the parent company that owns Tree Electric. Now, we all know that way back in 2019, Ideanomics purchased a 51% stake in the company Tree Electric. Okay, so Tree Technologies, which is a Malaysian homegrown electric vehicle maker with a presence in the ASEAN market, which is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, has signed a partnership to supply 200,000 units of its 100% electric motorbikes to Indonesia via distributors. Now, this partnership extends Tree Electric's regional presence as a key player in promoting electric mobility, supporting ASEAN energy transition agendas. The CEO of Tree Electric had this to say: Tree Electric is a pioneer in bringing true electric motorbikes from Malaysia to the ASEAN region and beyond, spearheading a new way of mobility. We are thrilled to further our efforts on the regional stage through this partnership with PT, Pacific, and PBNU in Indonesia to provide a transportation option that is clean, safe, and affordable with our advanced EV technology. Our 100% electric motorbikes offer customers long-term cost savings and, more importantly, contribute to an overall positive impact to the environment. Now, this agreement will span 3 years. So the highlights for this deal, this multi-year deal, will see a minimum of 10,000 units in 2021, up to 90,000 units in 2022, and then up to 100,000 units in 2023. Now the total deal value here is $274 million US. So this is quite a big contract. And this is definitely a good sign, a bullish sign for Ideanomics, as they own 51% stake of Tree Electric. Now, what makes Tree Electric so exciting is that their approach to mobility eliminates the need for fossil fuels and oil changes, resulting in zero carbon dioxide emissions. Additionally, Tree Electric motorbikes offer long-term cost-saving benefits, saving users above 50% in daily running and maintenance costs. The e-motorbikes can travel up to an estimate of 80 to 120 kilometers daily, averaging about 70,000 kilometers over 36 months. Now, Tree Electric continues to receive positive demand for its 100% electric motorbikes. The EV player began exporting an estimated 50 units of electric motorbikes to Thailand and Indonesia in 2020, with an additional 15,000 units due to be exported this year. Other markets Tree Electric is eyeing as potential customers include the Philippines and Cambodia. The CEO of Tree Electric also had this to say: the sizable orders secured to date and ongoing discussions with other countries expressing keen interest on Tree Electric's e-bike range will result in significant expansion in both Malaysia and international operations of Tree Electric. Now, this is very exciting for Tree Electric and of course Ideanomics, who you are probably invested in or considering investing in. Now, I'm really enjoying how Ideanomics is shaping their EV division, Ideanomics Mobility, and really coming through with all these new changes, all these new acquired companies. And now we're going to start to see more and more information coming out and financials as we have just started the second quarter, and we're going to start seeing results from some of these companies. Now, I'm very bullish. I'm a very huge fan of Ideanomics, specifically in the Ideanomics Mobility division. In other news, on April 6th, a couple weeks back, Ideanomics announced that they selected 𝗙𝗏𝗢𝗓 as their Chief Revenue Officer. 𝗙𝗏𝗢𝗓 has more than 20 years of experience in business development through team leadership and tactical executions. At Ideanomics, she is responsible for driving hyper-growth, performance, strategy, and alignment of the company's revenue-generating departments. Before coming to Ideanomics, 𝗙𝗏𝗘𝗘 was a partner of DKS Investments. Previously, she had served as a Chief Revenue Officer for Pika Energy. She also became Senior Vice President of Sales for Generac after Pika was sold to Generac. Before Pika, 𝗙𝗏𝗘𝗘 served as the Vice President and General Manager of the Electric Vehicle Solutions team of 𝗙𝗏𝗘𝗘𝗏. So this is really amazing. Also another bullish sign, as this new Chief Revenue Officer has quite a bit of experience. As we mentioned, over 20 years working at numerous companies. This is definitely sure to help drive Ideanomics to a brighter future. Ideanomics CEO Alf Poor had this to say: Kristen has a proven track record for growing revenues in both the automotive and energy management industries, as well as building and leading high-performance sales teams. We are excited to bring someone on board with experience at the intersection between automotive and energy that is essential to successful EV adoption. And now for the final update for Ideanomics. Ideanomics just announced today, on Friday, April 16th, that they're going to announce and release their 2021 first quarter financial results on Monday, May 17th. And the conference call will start at 4:30 p.m. with management. It will be a typical earnings call. The company's senior management team will give prepared remarks, followed by a question and answer session. So guys, if this is something you're interested in, if you are focused on Ideanomics and you want to see what they're up to, this earnings call is definitely something you don't want to miss. Now, with Ideanomics, the price action hasn't been the greatest lately. Now, if we look at the 1 month, Ideanomics is down approximately 20% over the 1 month, around 17% down on the 5-day. However, on the bright side, Ideanomics is actually up about 17% year to date. Now, a lot has happened with the price action in Ideanomics. We saw back in early February it hitting that high of $5.53, and we're trying to get back up there. I believe we're going to see that number definitely by the end of the year, especially since we're going to start seeing the financial results from Ideanomics and their other acquired companies as early as next month on May 17th for their Q1 earning call. I believe just right now the EV market isn't as hot as it was in 2020, and it's come down quite a bit. I believe a lot of people are looking into other investment ideas. Penny stocks are sort of lacking the last month, and people are switching to cryptocurrency. And many investors are sort of spooked at the idea of having these two divisions. We have the Ideanomics Mobility and Ideanomics Capital. But I believe we're only going to hear more and more exciting things coming from Ideanomics and these other acquired companies. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys got some value out of this video. Now, if you are considering investing in Ideanomics, please do your own due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor, and you need to understand what this company does and if this company is right for you in your portfolio. So please let me know in the comments down below, what is your price target for Ideanomics in 2021? Are you already invested? How many shares do you have, and what is your cost average? Now, if there's any other stocks that you want me to provide some due diligence on and create a video on, please let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram. As always, guys, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.